Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change your avatar in Hytale. Let's begin by opening my avatar window in the main menu, and then, as you can see, it opens the character creator. Here we can choose from the head, general, torso, legs and capes. Of course, each section has its own subsections, like for example haircut, eyebrows, eyes, etc. Now I will go along and simply create a character for myself. I will go with, I don't know, that looks funny. Sure, let's go with lime green. With... Alright, that's funny. Go with the bushy eyebrows, with the comically big eyes. And bushy beard. An accessory. For example, a top hat for me. And do I want glasses? Let's go with glasses. Ears or ear accessory. I will go with a double earring on the left side. I'll go with the suit type of underwear with our signature green. Go with muscular body definition. I don't know if it actually changes anything, but... And I will set a green skin color to my character. I will set the face preset for wizened, let's say. And go with neutral mouth. I will give our guy a pair of goblin ears or something like that. The first pair looks nice. And now I will go with a shirt. A pair of pants. Socks, I guess. I will leave this as is and go with long boots, leather boots, with white details. And then finally I will go with the Forest Guardian cape and with neck or with no neck? With neck. And as you can see, we went through all available options. I'm sorry, I skipped the overtop here. I will go with a fur-lined jacket. Oh, no, with the scarf. Oh, I don't know, honestly. I will go with the suit and with some bracers, mittens, and with basic gloves. Alright, as you can see, I made my character and went through all available menus to do so. There is, to explain further, there are the buttons to undo the last change, as you can see, redo the last change, you can randomize the character, you can reset the avatar, and reset the clothing. Let's say I will now demonstrate by resetting the clothing, and as you can see, it got reset to the undersuit. I can completely randomize, reset the avatar, or completely randomize them. Until I find something that suits me. I can always go back if I want to through the list by undoing the changes, or I can simply go back to my original character. And after all that, hit save, and you're ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.